at Appleton Village School, one of our core values is respect. And what we're going to try and do this year is to use some sign language to help us with that core value. Check your face, check your space. We're going to learn the sign for mask. And when somebody signs that to you, I want you to think, check your face, check your space. So the sign for mask is 2 fingers up like this. Make sure you tuck your thumb and your fingers together. Palms facing you. 2 fingers up. Thumb and fingers together. Palm facing you. This is the sign for mask. You put your fingers right in front of your face, basically covering your eyes. This is the sign for mask. You put your mask on, you take your mask off. You put your mask on, you take your mask off. If somebody signs this to you, you will know that is the sign for mask. Check your face, check your space. It might be a friendly reminder to put your mask back on. Thank you for helping us.